welcome back to Whisk and flAVA. It's Ava, and today we'll be making a banana and cream cheese crepe. First, you're gonna need 3 bananas, 1 orange, or we didn't have oranges, so we used 3 mandarins. You are gonna need a chocolate syrup or flavored syrup, heavy cream, powdered sugar, and cream cheese. And you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of orange juice and 1 tablespoon of orange zest. And you have to slice the bananas like this. First, I'm gonna show you how to zest the orange and how to juice the orange. First, you're gonna hold the orange just like this. And you're gonna take the zester and you're gonna go like that. And then you end up with these orange rind. And to juice it, you cut it in half and you juice it one by one. And this is here so the pulp doesn't get in it. And it turns out like this. Next, we're gonna beat the cream cheese and the zest until softened and folded in. We're gonna add the zest in here. And we're gonna take my hand mixer here. And we're gonna turn it on. Now we're gonna fold the whipped cream mixture into the cream cheese mixture. Folding is basically grabbing some and how would you describe it? You describe it like going like this. Folding it in together, like folding clothes. Now that we've cut the bananas into quarters, we're gonna cut them in halves again. We're just gonna cut them like that. Now we're gonna toss the bananas in. You're gonna grab the bottom of the bowl and get a few and push them up. Not mashing them at all. Just moving them around and making sure they get orange juice all over. Crepes are a French and fancy word for thin pancakes. That's what Fancy Nancy would say. I hope you feel better soon, Robin. Now we're gonna add a little bit of bananas and our orange juice mixture and a little bit of the cream cheese and the whipped cream mixture. More than that. And then we're gonna fold it like a burrito. Like that. Like that. Like that. And like that. So we just flipped it. It fell apart a little bit, but that's because crepes are really thin. And it'll be okay because it's gonna go in your stomach anyways. Next, we're gonna add a drizzle of chocolate. A little more than a drizzle. And powdered sugar. And voila! Perfect. Doesn't this look scrumptious? Time for bed. Thank you for joining Whisk and flAVA. See you later. Good night.